Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about different scope and trend of web development. So you know that this is a huge field of computer science. There are many fields you can work that are considered that is a highest or huge field of the computer science. One of them is a web development which have a highest scope in the world. So today, scope and trend with web development. One of them is in artificial intelligence integrating. You know that artificial intelligence is the trending one field in the development field. So there are different example features that based on the artificial intelligence concept. Another is a machine learning features. There are different example like e-commerce website also have different functionality or features about a machine learning. There are different system or different web applications that are based on the machine learning. Voice to text functionalities, computer vision based system, face recognition functionalities, accelerated mobile page, dark and bright theme user interface, security, progressive web apps, push notification, and virtual reality. Also 360-degree video, internet of things. So these are different scope that are integrating in a website or in a web application. So in the future this type of features or functionality are including in a web applications or with a website. So in the next I will share different things that are very important to understand. I discussed different scope or trend in the future with the web development or in the running days the developer working on that features to integrate with the website. So many things I also share with you. Due to high scope of web development, there are many courses available on the internet. You know that web development is very huge field of the computer science. That is why there are many courses, video lectures, books, notes in any form available on the internet in different languages. In college university, this field is also taught web designing or web development. In college or university, they provide this subject include this subject in their semester. So another is this is a huge field of the computer science. Everyone want to learn web designing, web development because it have a high scope in the development. Another is millions of job and online work. After learning web development, you can find a job from the internet. There are different methods you can find job as a web development online or physically. This is demanded one field in a software house, also demanded by businesses because everyone want to create website for their business to improve. This is a due to easy more resources are available on the internet. So this is a scope and trend of a web development that I shared with you.